One of the questions we get is what our mechanical evaluations look like, and what that's going to entail is obviously we're going to look over a lot of things. We're going to check for a whole bunch, how are we utilizing our timing? So from lift to land, are we consistent? How are we working that back leg? Are we, generating as much force as we should through the ground? Next, we're going to look at is how are we actually moving down the slope? Are we moving down the slope? Are we too stagnant? Is our head staying balanced? We're going to be looking at, are we utilizing energy? Are we leaking things going the wrong direction? Are we reaching with the leg or are we driving? We're going to look at everything we possibly can. And then the big thing, obviously, is once we land, where are we at? Are we creating separation? Or are we having our hips and shoulders deliver together at the same time? Are we keeping those shoulders back and then going into release? Are we keeping the head stable or is it peeling off to the side? This is just one athlete that had reached out, sent us some video on some of his evaluations. But the big thing is we don't want to give you a generic drill package. We want to make sure that we're giving you what you're going to need to maximize what you're doing. So every athlete has a different drill package. Every athlete has a different recommendation. And we want to make sure we're utilizing what it is you're doing. And then if we need to refer you to specific training exercises or obviously using the arm care app, that's going to help maximize what it is we're doing. So this is where we get our results. This is where we get our benefits. Is we don't do generic programming. We do individualized long-term performance plans. So if that's something that you're interested in, reach out to us today.